The Naughty Devil Creations. Hey guys, so my camera hates me, by the way. Absolutely hates me. My GoPro hates me. It just does what it wants to do. So, it's been a busy 2020. I have not been able to get to my shop very much. Just haven't had time. I am very, very sorry for all the new subscribers. I don't know what that is, but it's in my pocket and it's bothering me. Anyway, so let's start off with this. So last video, Leon made a suggestion. This time, I got, I'm going to probably brutalize his name, Jacob Marino. He says, you can see in the comments, I don't know if you guys can see that, but love the ashtray. Can you come up with things to make out of the boxes other than a guitar or a lamp? I'm out of ideas. It's funny you say that, because I picked these up not long ago. Like, actually, a long time ago. But I have an idea for this. Actually, I got two of them. See? I have a great idea for these. That's not going to be this video. This video is just to update and that there is a video going on. I have some family issues happening that I have to leave for a little bit, and I'll be back. And I promise I will have a video very shortly for you guys. So, keep your suggestions coming. I'll move that before I knock it over with my hand movements I have. Keep the suggestions coming. I make them. I do things. If you guys suggest it, I'll do it. So this is a really cool project I think a lot of you guys are going to like. I collect some weird things, so it's going to house a collection for me. To give you a hint. So stay tuned. It'll be very, very cool. My beard's probably... Does it look good, guys? How's that beard look? I don't know. Just got off work. And I'm about to head out of town. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart for everybody that's subscribing. Please keep letting me know what you guys want to see me make. I'll make it because I like making things. I like doing things for you guys. It's fun. So, let's make a quick pen. Real quick. You're not going to see a lot of it, but we're going to do the whole fast forward thing like I normally do. If you guys want to see slowed down, or you want to see like a tutorial of how I make my pens, or if you want a tutorial on how to do whatever, let me know. I just, I do this for fun. And if you guys give me suggestions, I'll make fun out of it. Or not make fun of it, but you know what I mean. I'm going to have fun doing whatever you guys suggest. Okay, there we go. So, let's make a pin real quick, because I talk too much. Yeah, okay, all right. Alright guys, so you're probably wondering why I was using my air a lot on this. It's because this is a 1/2-inch bit and there's not a lot of meat left around. So that's why I'm using a lot of air to keep it cold. The air temperature here is really cold still. 53 degrees. But this is completely cool. That's barely warm, and we were able to get all the way through without it cracking. So far, we'll know when we start turning it if it cracked under heat. But that's why you can put air on it and try to keep it cool. All right. Tried something new. What was that? A concave, or like where your hand's gonna go for writing. Let me know what you guys think of that. I don't know if you can even really tell that it's dished in a little bit, but I think it's kind of cool looking. Something a little unique, especially as little meat as we got left. Had to be really, really careful with that. So, but let's get this pushed together. And ooh, let's not drop it all. Kind of a weird angle for me to be doing this, but by the way, this kit is called a lipstick pin kit. I think it comes in chrome and 24 karat plated gold or whatever. So if you're a gold person, you can still get it in gold. Beautiful. Is this little refill guide? Does this go in there first? We put that in afterwards. Oh well. Guess we'll find out the hard way. How's that? I'm sure we could just put it on the end of this and then put it in there. I don't think it's going to be a tight fit. Let's find out. Let's not do it the hard way. Let's try to do it the easy way. Right? Right. Well, I feel as if that will come out during the first ink refill. I don't even know where to get a refill for this thing, so probably have to do it through Penn State, because it's where I got these. Actually got it from Penn State. There we go. A little tighter. And these things are a pain to such a small little piece here. Absolute nightmare, because your bushing set has like this weird weird thing you put in there to inside your tube, and then now how the hell is that supposed to work? Oh, needs to go in further. That's how the hell it's supposed to work. There we go. One. It's this one. Perfect little accessory for a woman. It is a cool little kit. Only thing I'm worried about, and this is just my worry, maybe other people have better luck, but this is plastic and all your threading is metal. So I worry about that. I don't know if I should be, but I am. So I guess we'll know after a while. But it has really good reviews when I was looking at it online. And again, if you guys have a suggestion for a nice pen press, let me know, because mine is starting to push stuff in crooked, which is a problem that you do not need when pushing parts in. There we go. Which is nice if it does kind of go a little crooked. I can fix it a little bit like that. All right. Beautiful. And there we have it. What is that? It's a little piece of that plastic. See? Plastic's horrible. There we go. But there we go. The lipstick pen at its finest. It's actually a pretty useful little pen, I guess, because of the how compact it is. Even a guy could actually throw that in their pocket. Just don't call it a lipstick pen. Call it a mini shiv, or I don't know. I don't want to get demonetized, even though I don't make money on this. But you know what I mean. But let me know what you guys think of this. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys see something that you like that I'm making, let me know, and we can make you one. Just hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. Excuse me. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.